Hello students. In the last class, I explained that how we get heat from the sun. We get heat from the sun by radiation. And all hot bodies emit heat. And the part of it is reflected, a part of it is absorbed, and a part of it is transmitted. So, the object which receives heat has a higher temperature. So, that is because of this we use umbrella. We use umbrella if we go in the hot sun. It absorbs more heat and it doesn't allow to pass through us. So, we feel cool under the black umbrella. Now, let us have an experiment. Take two identical cans. Take two identical cans. The outer surface of one can is painted black. Paint the outer surface of the other can with white. So, pour equal amount of water. And this is white. The outer surface of this is painted white and this is black. Pour some equal amount of water and place these two cans in the hot sun for an hour. After an hour, observe the temperature of both the cans. Observe the temperature of water in both the cans. Now, can you note the difference? You can see the temperature of water by touching the pan or touching the hot water. Now, which water is warmer? Which water is cooler? Now, you can observe that the water in the black surfaced can is warmer. Why? Because black or dark colored surfaces absorb more heat and keeps the water warm. Now this remains cooler. So take the same cans. Now another experiment. Take the same cans with the same amount of water at the same temperature, say 60 degrees centigrade, and place these two cans in the dark room or shade. Observe the temperature of water in the two cans after 10 to 15 minutes. What did you observe? Does the temperature of water in the both cans fall at the same amount? What did you observe? Now, the water in the black can remains warmer. The water in the black can remains warmer than the white can. So, this is the reason why we wear light colored cotton cloths in summer and warm cloths or woolen cloths in winter. So this is the reason why. So light colored cloths reflect most of the sunlight and keeps our body cool. In the same way, woolen or dark colored cloths we wear in winter. Why? Because dark colored cloths absorb more heat and it doesn't allow heat to escape from our body, and it also keep our body warm. We wear woolen cloths. Why woolen is preferable in winter? So woolen fiber has lot of air space in between them. They don't allow the heat to escape from our body. They have lot of air spaces in between them. So these are the reasons why we wear particular type of clothes in different seasons. Now these are the effects of heat. What are the effects of heat? Now, if an object is heated, it becomes hotter. You know that. What happens? It becomes hotter. It emits heat and it can change the state of matter itself. For example, ice can, on heating, it melts into water. It melts into water. And you know how the freezer works, how the refrigerator works. Now, why the freezer is kept only on the top of the refrigerator? Why? So that what happens inside the refrigerator, the air inside and around the freezer gets cooled and it moves down. As the cool air is heavier, it always moves down, and the air downwards in the refrigerator, it moves upwards. There is a convection of heat in the air inside the refrigerator. A convection of heat goes on. Process goes on. So this is how the hot air in the freezer, in the refrigerator rises up and it gets cooled in the freezer. Again it comes back, comes down. So this cycle goes on. This is how the fridge works. Let us stop here. Now I'll continue in the next session. Thank you.